I'm outside right now in nature. We're on the hunt for the elusive slug. Let's check under this leaf. Oh my gosh, it's a slug. Only like eight people, 0.58 people in the world have ever found a slug like this. It's probably gonna rain soon, so I'll give this cover back. There you go. Oh, oops. There you go. Oh, in the elusive nature, you can also find the elusive, pine cone. These things are said to be only found by 7.2 people in Earth, and, are really cool and stuff, you know. That's the, pine cone. If you throw it, it makes like a... That's what happens if you throw it. What else do I find in nature? Alright, let's see. You could also find the, elusive... In the elusive nature, you can find the elusive, you can find the elusive this. I'm not sure. Oh, it can fly apparently. And, it's flying. And, I guess it flew away. In the elusive nature, you can also find the elusive, this plant right here. You can find the elusive flower. And, yeah, you can find this. It's elusive. Only found in nature. And I'm gonna combine the flower. There, the slug gets the flower. And, this is the elusive nature documentary on the elusive nature. That's all for episode 1 of the elusive nature documentary on the elusive nature. Stay tuned to see episode 2 of the elusive nature documentary of the elusive nature. Yeah.